Hello guys, welcome back to our another video. So today we are showing you Woodman's newly launched car camera. It's a state-of-the-art product. So first thing first, we'll start with the placement of the camera. So you can see it has been placed on the car's front windshield. You can check out the placement, and not just the placement, it is also a very cool looking equipment. Comes with its own utility. It comes with a screen resolution, camera resolution up to 2.5K. You can also record in 1080 pixels and also in 2.5K video clarity. And now I'll show you from inside the car how it looks. It's a very small equipment yet powerful. So now we'll go to the back of the car where I'll show you the placement of the back camera. It has been placed over here, as you can see in checkout. It comes with 1080 pixel. So without wasting any further time, let's move inside the car and check out the main functionality of the camera.
Hi everyone, today we are presenting here Woodman CarCam 1. This is our new dash cam with front and back camera. This has two cameras, one at the front and one at the back. So the front camera has 2.5K resolution, whereas a back camera has full HD 1080p resolution. This camera has a 3-inch of display, and we are seeing here the front view of the camera. And if we want to change the view, we can do it by here. This is the back view and this is the split view, where you can view both the cameras at the same time. This is the front one and this is the back one. This dash cam supports up to 120 GB of memory card, which you can use to record up to more than 10 hours of video. You can see the settings here of the recording. This is our resolution. You can set as per your preference. Second one is the record time. You can set the time, how much long duration you want the file to be, 1 minute, 2 minutes or 5 minutes. It records small portions of the video continuously. So you can set up to your preference. Third one is the Wi-Fi, which you can use to connect it to the phone app. And this is the audio feature. It also has inbuilt mic, so if you want the audio to be recorded, you can enable the audio and you can also disable. This is the setting for the rear camera if you want the mirror option or the normal one. This is the preview mode, which is the main screen of the dash cam. This is a G sensor. It use when your car is parked. Whenever your car detect any motion, it will automatically start the recording even when the car is off, it is parked and you are away. So you do not need to worry if your file are being recorded or not. Whenever any collision happens or any sudden impact is happen to the car, it automatically lock the file and save the recording. This is the parking mode, which is used when your car is turned off. It automatically starts the recording whenever any movement or detection is happen. And these are the labs, how much old files you want to overwrite. You can set it from here. If you set it to off, it whenever the card is full, it will not overwrite the old files. So you can set up to, if you want the 24 hours old file or 12 hours old file to be overwritten or not. From here you can set date, time, volume. You can format SD card here and more settings. One feature I will show you, the phone app of the Wi-Fi. From here you can enable or disable Wi-Fi. From here you will see the Wi-Fi password, etc. and app settings. Now I will show you the app. This is the app which I have connected it through Wi-Fi of the dash camera. This feature will only work when you are available in the car. It will not work when you are away from the car. This has Wi-Fi. It is directly connected to the dash camera. You can also see the live view, which is showing here, which is shown here in the dash cam, the front view. You can also change the view from here. Like I want to see the back view. You can see the back view here. Actually the sunlight is coming from the back, so you are seeing it little dark now. This is 2.5K, and you can see the recording sign here. It is being recorded. You can access the files from here, camera file. These are the old recordings here. Let me show you some file, which is this is 2.5K. You can also view at the full screen here. You can also take a screenshot from here as well. If you want to capture, you can pause. If you want to record any car in motion or any number plate, you can pause the video and take a screenshot directly from here, the camera option. It has captured the screen. And from this app, you can access all the settings of the app. So you do not have to change any settings if you want to alter from the dash cam. You can directly do it from here. You can see all the settings which are in the Wi-Fi. You can see the video resolution, duration of the recording, collision settings, parking monitor settings, time-lapse settings, Wi-Fi, etc. All the settings you can change it from here only. Here is the album file. These are the locked file. Here you will see the lock file. Whenever any collision happens, it will lock the file and it will show at the logged folder. And these are files which will not be overwritten. Like if your SD card is full, even then it will not overwrite these files which are logged. So this dash camera also has one very important feature, which is a collision feature. So any accident or incident happens and suddenly it detects a motion, high motion, it will automatically save the file. Like I will show you the feature here. You can see log current video file, and it has started blinking in the yellow dot, which means this file is being recorded and it will not be overwritten. It will be logged. So even if your SD card is full, it will not delete this video and it will be saved until you do not delete it. Current file has been logged. It will automatically detect it. And if you want to disable, you can do it from the settings. If you want to end this video, you can OK here, and this will save. So this is very useful feature. Whenever any incident happens, you do not worry about if your file has been deleted or if it did not overwrite. Thank you for watching the video. Stay connected.